Hi guys, welcome back to YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So in this video, we will cover this topic of two finger scroll not working on Windows. So here are basically three steps. So we will just start with the first one. It's control panel. So we just type control panel in search bar and here it comes control panel. So we just click on hardware and sound and then we will go to the mouse in device and printers and if when mouse properties is open, so we will just move to the pointers option and we just have to select another option other than this Windows black system scheme. So we just click on large one click. So we just select large option and we just have to apply and then okay. So by doing this your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't, so we will have to move to step 2. It's control panel and then settings. So we are still in the control panel and we just have to go to second settings. So here in clickpad option we just have to click on Microsoft mouse and touchpad setting. Here is the setting option is open. So we just scroll down this and we have to figure it out in scroll and zoom. This option is should be checked. Drag two fingers to scroll, it should be checked. If it unchecked in your device, so kindly check it. So by doing this your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't, so we will have another option which is device manager. So we will just go back to device manager and here we will just have to find out where is the mice and other pointing devices. Here it is. So we just have to drag this option and we have to click on HID compliant mouse. We have to double click on it and then we have to go to driver. Here it is. We will have to check if its rollback driver is visible, so we have to click on it and then okay. If it doesn't visible, so it means it's working fine. So if you found this video helpful, so kindly subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you so much.